So I'm getting ready to go to Bob's house because I'm having problems with this carburetor, and I thought maybe he could give me a hand. These guys right here, I gotta get these out. Hopefully Bob has the right tool. There's a tool that I'm supposed to buy that will get those needles out, but you know I'm a cheapskate. I'm doing all of this on a budget, but in times like these you have to rely on your friends. So I'm gonna go take a drive out in the country to go see Bob Goodwin and see if he will give me a hand with it, or maybe just tell me to toss it like he did last time. We'll see.